Soundboy in the AM. Soundboy up in the AM, yo. I'm about to put this mad, crazy, old school, up under the collar system together. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing this for everybody out there that don't have a lot of money, but want to be able to step up there with Trump and have your stuff banging and doing what you wanted to do. I'm going to show y'all a little something. My first piece came in. I'm going to show you the whole list of the whole system. The whole system, from the wires to the diodes to the crossovers to the bass blockers, all that. The F modes, the L pads, all that. I'm going to have it all on it. Just follow this, man, and you'll spend less money and enjoy more airtime, man. Good shit. It was just one piece. That's just that first one that came in. That's just the hash for all y'all DJ people. Y'all know what I'm talking about. That's just my tweeter box. My tweeter box is bigger than half these motherfuckers' bathrooms. But enough said on that. That's a five-way tweeter box. Got the big 7.5 inch compression tweeter in the middle. Just push the high sound straight out into your face. I got the piezos, but they on different frequencies. You're hearing bass and, you know, the other voices and stuff in the back. That's the rest of the system, but you're not going to see that. You're going to see the new system where I revamp it. Howland Park turnaround. Big up Brew Crew. Free VB. Hey, Coach Quay, big up. Skaters for life.